How to join a group in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen or the top left of your screen, depending on your interface. Here, you will see the option for communities. Tap on communities, and with this, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the groups and communities in Roblox currently. So, simply scroll through and tap on the community that you want to join, and you will see the option for join community there. So simply tap on the join community option you see there, and you will be successfully joined to that particular community. So this is how you can join a group in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.